video, I am going to be showing you how to make a bull charm using super light clay, also called foam clay. Now let's get started! Take a ball of brown clay and gently give it shape so it will look like a head. Next step, take another piece of clay of the same color and start rolling and pressing it. This is actually the body of the bull. I kept on rolling and pressing until I was happy with the shape, and here is how it looks like. Now very gently take your head and place it on top of the body. Take 4 balls of brown colored clay and roll them from one side to make a teardrop-like shape. Now take a ball of black colored clay and attach it to the brown teardrop and roll it until it looks like one piece of clay rather than 2 pieces of clay. This is how my legs turned out. The legs that I made turned out a bit longer, so I just cut the edges. I told you that, so if you got stuck into that kind of situation, you could do what I did. Now attach the bull's legs with its body. I'm using my needle tool to blend down the edges so the leg wouldn't fall off. Before attaching the bull's back legs, I slightly curved them because I wanted my bull to be in sitting position. I took my needle tool and started blending the leg with the body. Do the same with the other leg. Don't get worried about this spot over here because it will be later covered by the tail. Take some brown colored clay and roll it. Then attach the black ball of clay on the top and start rolling so it looks like one piece of clay. If you think the tail is a bit larger, you can cut a small section of it. Gently adjust the tail between the legs. You can curve it slightly to make it look nicer. Now take a ball of brown colored clay and press it with your finger. And when it will be a flat round circle, take your blade and cut it from the center. Now take your semicircle and start pinching it slightly and join the both ends, and now your ear is ready. Place both ears evenly on the head. Secure the ears with the head. Take a small ball of pink clay and roll it into a cylinder, and then press it gently with your finger and then gently attach it on the bull's face. With the help of my tool, I made some small indents in the nose for the nostrils. Again, with the help of my tool, I made two small indents where I wanted the eyes to go. Now pop in two small balls of black clay for the eyes. I'm adding 2 pieces of pink clay beside the eyes for the cheeks. Now for the last part, take 2 pieces of peach clay and roll them from one side. Now attach these horns on the bull's head near the ears. Now if you want to turn this bull into a keychain or necklace, or you want to hang it with your bracelet, you need to add an eye pin. So I chose the best spot for it and added the eye pin in. I later secured it with some super glue, and finally our mini bull charm is ready! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!